Let's walk through registering for workshops and webinars in Handshake. After clicking the registration link from the Regent website or an email, you'll arrive at the event preview page. On the right-hand side, you'll see a login button. For students, you'll see a note reminding you to use your existing account. Always sign in with your MyRegent credentials by clicking this single sign-on button. Students should never create a new account. For alumni, click Log in another way. Enter your Regent email address, and you'll receive an email with instructions to create a password. Alumni should also never create a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken back to the event page. From there, simply click Register. Note, Handshake may prompt you to update your profile visibility before you can complete registration. To continue, select Community. This makes your profile visible to other students and alumni attending virtual sessions and ensures you can join the event. After registering, you'll receive a confirmation email right away and a reminder email on the day of the event. You can also return to this page about 5 minutes before the event begins to find the link to join the workshop or webinar. If you'd like to explore other opportunities, just click the events page in the left side menu to browse all upcoming workshops and webinars.